At a time when digital reigns supreme and there's more ways than ever before to access information, there's a growing demand for communicators who can cut through the noise with clear, creative messages. University of Niagara Falls Canada's Master of Arts in Digital Media and Global Communications is designed for future leaders and strategists who want to stand out in a digital-first world. It's a program built to meet today's demands, preparing graduates to shape the conversations that move industries and communities forward. In just 18 months, you'll gain the critical skills to navigate and lead in areas like virtual and augmented reality, mastering artificial intelligence. Study in person at our state-of-the-art campus in downtown Niagara Falls, or complete the program fully online at your own pace from anywhere. From neuromarketing and user experience to analytics, social media strategy, and intercultural communication, this program blends creative practice with strategic insight. Learn from faculty with real industry experience and use cutting-edge content creation facilities like podcast and video studios, photography suites, and more in partnership with the Niagara Falls Innovation Hub. With hands-on assignments and a powerful capstone project, you'll graduate with a digital portfolio that shows what you can do and the impact you're ready to make. Lead change and tell the stories that matter with the Master of Arts in Digital Media and Global Communications. Learn more at unfc.ca. Innovation flows here.